Sits a good bit higher, don't it?
Looks like it.
I bet a good 3-4 inches.
Probably more than that, huh?
Alright, now all we gotta do is put the hitch on it for real. And
Excuse you.
give me too much lunch.
Gave you what you asked for.
Well, and I gotta see about the my buddy got Milky. My buddy got Milky just had to flop the windshield, and the latches are all stuck and needing lube. I also gotta fix the.
So you can't lock it?
Well, I can. I just gotta work on it a little bit. It needs some lube, and then it'll do better. Right, babe?
Right.
Hey, it makes the paint look sharp. And you know this PB blaster smells good, so it also kind of deodorizes the thing.
Ah! Don't spray us! Dang! Sorry about that.
Did any of y'all ever watch them primitive Pete videos in shop class? It says never, not never do that. Use the right tool for the job. There, it's good now.
Getting it all lubed up.
Yeah, I wonder what this is for. Somebody did have a bikini top on it or something. It's got snaps all over it. Does that look centered properly?
Close enough.
Alright.
He's gonna ask where his phone is next. Going up. Mr. Heavy.
Maybe bring get my safety glasses.
Yeah, I think so.
What are these?
It's an awful lot of racket, don't he?
Happiness is a sharp drill. Oh, 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 oh. This is why a lot of people center punch their holes.
I ain't got time for all that.
Look at that. The battery's dead.
Well, you made it through. You go see the bird?
Hey, this isn't a nature show.
It's whatever I make it.
Alright, now to find a few 7/16 or half-inch bolts.
There it is. And away it goes.
I'm gonna use 7/16 half inches. Ain't wanting it. Come on now.
There's no way to treat those.
I got too many burrs in the hole here. Where's the drill bit? We gotta clean that up a little bit.
You ran out of juice towards the
I
end,
changed
remember?
the battery, remember?
I know it, but I'm just saying, so you didn't get a clear hole made.
Yes, I did. Oh, maybe you're right.
What'd you say?
I said, oh, maybe you're right.
Wow.
What's wild about that?
You said I was right.
I'm not too proud. I can admit that in unusual circumstances that it occurs.
Okay, now you're just making it worse.
Wait a minute, do I need it? Don't never do that. People try to hold it. Oh, it's one of them weird ones. We gotta have an 11/16. Will you give me an 11/16 wrench? Of course, I didn't use new bolts. Because who in their right mind would do that? Alright, now what I'm going to do is weld it right across there.
Good deal.
Wait, just a scotch. Just a scotch now.
That's all it'll do. That's all she'll do.
I'm sure it'll be fine. Turn the switch on in the back. Hey!
Stop that.
She's set on 157 amps. We're gonna let her eat. Probably should bolt this, but you know what I'm gonna do? Not bolt it. We're using 7018 rod. which is somewhat we gotta turn her down a little.
Somewhat.
Hot. Which one's the heat set? That one. Turn her down to 120. Come on, man. I don't like this electrode holder for sure. That's too cold. Let's turn it up to 138. The rod moves all over the place. Not enough amps. That's staying near where it was. I bet you that's just as ugly as it can be. Shall we get the chip and hammer and see?
Mm-hmm.
It's on the workbench. Alright, that's not that pretty. They probably would hold, but I didn't get no penetration right here, I don't think, so I'm gonna weld another pass with it. Dang. It flops all around there. Everything's like. Oh, blew a breaker.
Oh no.
Let go of me. Where is that? Everything's falling over and whacking me. Alright, that ain't the prettiest weld I ever have done. But as I've heard many old timers say, which I can say now, why you zoomed in so much?
So we can see the welds.
You're standing 4 feet away. What was I saying? Oh, old timers say, that ain't a pretty weld, but she'll hold. Alright. Alright, zoom right in there, babe.
I did.
Maybe you should walk a little closer.
Listen.
I have been listening.
I ain't been saying much.
It has been a good day.
You don't know what's good for you.
Alright.
Too much sun on that bald spot.
Oh, we got.
It don't look that bad.
Coming from a little bitty welder, no bigger than a peanut. That was 1/8 inch 7018 rod.
Wrong way.
Alright, now let's just see about the oil leak. Oh, don't let me forget to fill up the Blake Fluid Master Cylinder. Do what?
You sure know how to make a mess.
Well, luckily I got somebody to help me clean it up.
Luckily.
Here's another issue we got. The latches are missing for the hood, which could be inconvenient. I don't have the stuff to fix the hood latch, or the, or that either, but the oil leak. I ordered it from Willys a long time ago, but it ain't never showed up. It's a hose. Anyway, we're gonna clean up here and get this thing out of here.
You got a mouse in your pocket?
What?
You got a mouse in your pocket?
You're helping me, and I'm gonna, and it's gonna be we. When it's more than one, it's we.
I didn't think you would do any.
I'm gonna do it.
Picking up.
As soon as I get done videoing. Are you almost done?
Yeah.
No fat jokes.
I never crack fat jokes. What are you talking about? Ever. Listen to it.
Carolina cold stuff right there.
Purrs like a kitten. Can't see him no more.